Google today has officially announced the Pixel 6a on their Google I/O event. It's Google budget phone with some meaningful upgrade from last year Pixel 5a. Design-wise, it's look a lot like Pixel 6. The Pixel 6a will cost you around $449, and with the pre-orders beginning on July 23rd, the 6a will be hitting the shelf on July 28th. The Pixel 6a will be available in three color options: white, black, and light green. Camera belt on the back will be black for all the colors, and inside that camera belt you will see dual camera sensor, in which it will be coming with a 12 megapixel of a main sensor and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. The important thing is here in that the main sensor will be coming with an optical image stabilization. You do note that the Pixel 6a is coming with a similar camera sensor that we have seen in the last year Pixel 5a. So definitely it's not a big upgrade in terms of a camera sensor, but you do know that hardware does not matter in terms of cameras. It's the software where the Google performs better in terms of the optimization of images. And talking about the softwares, Google two best features of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were also coming inside the Pixel 6a. One is the real tone, in which Google will give you a real tone colors for different skins. The other feature is obviously going to be the magic eraser, which is also available in some other brands as well, but the Google Pixel 6a will also coming with another feature for the magic eraser, is that it's going to be changing the color of the object which you don't want to have focus. This is going to be a pretty nice feature to be including in the magic eraser. Anyhow, inside the device, the Pixel 6a will be running the same Tensor chipset as it is coming for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So you will get the similar performance just like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So definitely in terms of performance, this is a great device. Anyhow, moving forward, we are also going to see a 6 gig and 128 gigs of internal storage, and that is the only variant you will be seeing in the Pixel 6a. Whereas Pixel 6 was coming with a 256 gigabyte of model and 8 gigabyte of internal storage. Anyhow, the battery capacity is also going to be downgraded in the Pixel 6a because it's a budget level device. Instead of 4614 milliamp that was coming in the Pixel 6a, you're only going to get 4400 milliamp of a battery capacity, and Google is claiming that it will be having a 24-hour of battery life. Well, to be honest, we have to wait and see and check whether this claim is going to be accurate or not. Anyhow, another feature that you might not be seeing in the Pixel 6a is the fast wireless charging, and I believe the reverse wireless charging is also not going to be coming in the Pixel 6a. So definitely this is another change you will find out in the comparison with the Pixel 6. And you're moving on towards the front side, you will see a 6.1 inch of Full HD Plus OLED panel with a 60 Hz of refresh rate. Definitely this is going to be a slightly smaller screen as compared to the Pixel 6, which was coming with a 6.4 inch and 90 Hz of display. And the front is also going to be protected by Gorilla Glass 3 protection instead of the Gorilla Glass Victus protection that we have seen in the Google Pixel 6. So guys, all in all, these are some of the spec sheets that are going to be coming for the Pixel 6a. Although it's going to be a device which is coming in a budget like just only $449, but if you want to have a best features like a Gorilla Glass Victus protection, a bigger battery, and even a bigger screen, then definitely move towards the Pixel 6 because it's going to be a better deal. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new Pixel 6a? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.